Hello everyone, today we will learn how to crack Selenium interview. So let's crack the interview. So first of all you need to understand to crack the Selenium interview you must know Java. I'm not talking about advanced Java, only core Java is enough to crack this interview. Okay, so one by one we will see the questions. So the first question they may ask, what is Java? So you can say that Java is a high-level programming language and it is platform independent. It is collection of objects. There are lots of applications like websites and games that are developed using Java. Okay, and they may ask what are the features in Java. So you need to explain each and every features, uh, all the OOPS concept and advantage. What is the advantage of Java? That it is platform independent, high performance. You can even add this. And here, what do you mean by constructor? So you can explain that what do you mean by constructor. So just doing mug-up is not enough to crack the interview. You must understand this. You must know practically what is constructor. Okay, uh, what is mean by the local variable and instance variable, what is class, what is an object, what are the OOPS concept, what is inheritance. So they may when they will ask what is inheritance, they will also ask the example. So you must be prepared by the examples. What is encapsulation? Same, you should know the example. What is polymorphism? What is mean by method overloading? Okay, so what is mean by interface? What is means by abstract class? Again, I'm saying just doing mug-up is not enough. You must know practically also that what is why we are using abstract class, what is exactly abstract class is, then difference between array and array list, then difference between string, string builder and string buffer, then difference between hash map and hash table, difference between hash set and tree set, difference between abstract class and interface. Okay, so when you will do just mug up, when they you can only answer when they will ask straightforward. But you, if you know what it is practically, if you know, then you can easily crack the interview. What are all the classes and interface that are available in the collection? So you can explain all the classes and interfaces that are available in the collections. Then distinguish between constructor and method. They can even ask that what is method, why we are using method like this. Uh, then what is final keyword in Java? What is the different use of this statement? This, why we use this statement in Java? Is multiple inheritance possible in Java? What is the difference in list and set in Java? What is the difference in finally and finalize in Java? Can we override static method in Java? What are the different type of constructor? Okay. What is toString in Java? Explain Java main method public static void main. Next is this, when you will go for machine test, so they may give you this programs to write, that is Fibonacci series, palindrome number, prime number, check whether this is a prime number or not, reverse the number. Then in Selenium, what all things they can ask is, what are the Selenium suits component, what are the limitation of Selenium testing, what are the testing types supported by Selenium? Mention the type of web locator. What are the types of wait supported by WebDriver? What is the major difference between driver close and driver quit? How to scroll down a page using JavaScript? So you can see most of the questions I have covered in my tutorials. If you have not watched my tutorial, please subscribe my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos also. How to mouse over a web element, how to assert the title of a web page, how to type text in an output box using Selenium, how to take screenshot in WebDriver. So this everything I have explained in my tutorials, and many of them are remaining also. I will be explaining in my future videos. The next question is how to select a value from a drop down in Selenium WebDriver. This also I have already explained. How to upload a file. This also. This all are very important question. Uh, if you take as an interview perspective, then when do we use find element and find elements? Mention what is the use of XPath, what are the advantages of Selenium. So you must know that what all are the advantages as well as the limitation. Mention what is the difference between implicit wait and explicit wait. So first of all, you need to know that what is implicit wait and what is explicit wait. Then only you can explain that what is the difference between both of this. They may also ask that what is fluent wait. Uh, then explain how you can switch between frames. Most of the questions I have explained in my tutorial, so you can watch that. You just need to subscribe my channel, sorry. Explain using WebDriver how you can perform a double click. Explain how you can switch back from a frame. How can you retrieve the message in an alert box? What is automation testing? What are the benefits of automation testing? What is a framework? What is Selenium IDE? What is Seliness? What is Selenium Grid? Then they can ask, when do you use Selenium Grid? What is a node in Selenium Grid? In my very first video, I have explained this. What is a node in Selenium Grid? What are the operating systems supported by Selenium WebDriver? What is the difference between single slash and double slash? What is the difference between absolute path and relative path? What is the difference between assert and verify in Selenium? How to get a text of a web element? How can we maximize browser window in Selenium? Okay. How to delete cookies in Selenium? This also I have explained. How to switch between frames? This also. And this one also. How to scroll web page down or up using Selenium WebDriver? Why should Selenium be selected as a test tool? List some of the test types that are supported by Selenium. Okay. So this was the questions which usually asked in the interview, but they also asked that how to take screenshot. Means practically you have to show that how to take the screenshot, or else they can also give you a website and you need to automate that website. Okay. And one more thing, they will give a login, so you need to verify that login, uh, or automate.login, something like this. I will definitely explain in my future videos. Okay, thank you for watching my video and please like and subscribe.